stairs and bicycle deck clear, and remain seated while the vessel is docked. Please gather your belongings. We will let you know when it's safe to move about. Thank you for riding the King County Water Taxi.
It does, and it starts to vibrate, and you'll feel a smile emerge in your heart, and you'll share Well, let's see. Today's Friday, right? Nope, no finger.
They become my good close friends. And we call her Wild.
He's being silly. It's so peaceful in here.
Throw and a good catch.
Oh. Aww.
Oh my goodness.
She's a biologist.
Oh really?
Fight.
Uh-oh, they're fighting.
Oh, he just loses.
That's how you guide that.
Look, did you see him? A ship. It was probably the ferry. There was a little cafe over there called Buna Cafe. Have any of you ever been there? Is it good? Right now we're heading to the market to get some flowers and a treat. Right, Santi? Yes, okay. So let's head to the market. Pike Place. Should we get one, Santi? They're so pretty. That one's I'm gonna keep looking. Thank you. Oh wait, look. They're so pretty.
Everybody's gonna get it all. Everybody. That kids have classes on it. Yeah.
Should we get some tulips, Santi? Oh, that's gorgeous. That one's pretty. I like this one. Which one is this?
That's exactly what that is.
I got my tulips. Strawberries.
Yeah, I know the way I say it.
They also have some dates.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Can I do one of these?
Yeah. I know who you are. You got
Papaya looks so good.
He's kind of a jackass, as Cody says. Yeah. Lots of here.
Toast Alley. ¿Quieres más? We are heading back to the ferry. And we're gonna call it good. ¿Seguro que quieres caminar? Porque te vas a cansar. Out of time. Why is it like 3 degrees outside? ¿Cuáles? Ma, están todas quebradas.
¿Dónde quebradas? Esas están sucias. Están enteras.
Ma, no, they're not.
That I found last time, she stole it.
No se limpian con cloro. Ma. You guys, do you clean shells with cloro? No, se usa una chingadera que es de verdad, like borax, como un ácido. Pies, shrimp, Cajun shrimps.
Oh, well, he's dead now. So there's like, not today.
Ew.
Puppy, go put it in the water.
You're on the shell.
He can't breathe out of the water. Corre! Corre!
Yeah, breathe out loud.
A ver, where did you guys find it? Can you see that?
I'm asking ChatGPT.
Ira se la roncó un montón ahí.
Well, she didn't.
We see, Mommy.
Mira cómo lo hace con su manita. Look, you can see the eggs now.
Can you stop pausing? Like, is it gonna die?
Do you see that? I am really sick today. Right? We got some egg cartons. And we got some Minnesota mini melons. We got some watermelon. We got some Roma tomatoes. We got some oregano. We got some, I think it's coriander. Somebody gifted me this. And then in here I harvested some sunflower seeds from last year. So we have those. And we're gonna be starting. And then I also have some wildflowers. So I have the pollinator packet, this wildflower mix, and then I have the poppies. I love poppies. And then I have these baby blue eyes, but these I'm not gonna plant until the back garden is ready. And I also have some peonies. So again, I'm not going to do the flowers until the back garden is ready. The soil I like to use, and it's just the Miracle Grow raised bed. I got my tulips out here. I got some other flowers from last year. So I'm just going to set up my little back patio. Pretty cute. Oh wow, these are big. And these are the mini watermelon seeds. So I'm just gonna
Put some.
start.
Mommy, I put some.
Okay, and then cover it up. I'm gonna tell them, and that's our tomatoes.
These are good.
And we have some
So we're
extras.
gonna put them over here.
Now we're gonna make little greenhouses for them, okay? So we're gonna need some plastic wrap for this part. So we're back and we got some plastic wrap. And with the plastic wrap, we're gonna try to do a little greenhouse situation. And he got hurt, he fell. So I'm just gonna prepare ourselves. So what we're gonna do first is use our little sprayer and just kind of mist it.
Good job.
We don't want it to be soaked because then they drown, but just a nice mist. And then we're gonna take the plastic wrap. And we're
So
just
I can go out and I can finally test my mountain bike while riding around town.
put your helmet on.
I don't know where my
It's in the laundry room. And it's gonna look like that.